Computer Magazine, innovative technology for computing professionals.
Hello, and welcome to the August 2011 issue of Computer Magazine. I am Ron Vetter, Editor-in-Chief. This month's issue takes a retrospective look back at the IBM PC. 30 years ago this month, IBM introduced the personal computer, initially known as the IBM 5150. With commercial success and considerable media frenzy, the IBM PC became one of the most successful computers ever developed. How did this happen? What features and capabilities made the product have such an impact on the industry? What legacy architectural designs are we still living with today? Amazingly, there are artifacts of the original IBM PC that are still visible today, 30 years after its introduction. This includes things such as DOS, the ISA bus, and the BIOS. Other artifacts are less visible, but still there, such as the 640K real mode addressing and the real protected mode switch that the processor has to execute during boot up. No doubt there are many others. What artifacts do you see when you look at the modern PC? In this special issue of Computer, we take a look back at the IBM PC and hear from some of the people who were intimately involved in its development. We look not only at hardware and system technical matters, but also at the history of business and application software, including aspects of the process that IBM went through prior to the development team coming up with a product that could be announced and sold. We hear from consultants that were part of a study projects in 1978 to 1980 who looked at the strategy and the potential for a microcomputer product for IBM. We also hear some of the PC lore from members of the original design team, including a number of stories from what really happened at the Boca Raton facility. One of the primary reasons for the longevity of the IBM PC architecture was the decision to maintain backward compatibility with existing software applications over numerous microprocessor upgrades. Indeed, the choice of the Intel 8088 CPU and its impact can still be seen today by its significant influence on servers, laptops, and even mobile phones. In this special issue, you can read an article from a senior Intel engineer as he discusses some of the design trade-offs needed to maintain this backward compatibility, including the fact that not a single instruction has been dropped from the original instruction set. This means that processor architects face a major dilemma when developing new CPU implementations, as all existing instructions must be maintained, even if they are not commonly used anymore. Clearly, IBM, Microsoft, and Intel would have all made some different business and technical decisions if they had to do it all over again. However, there are also many aspects of the IBM P system design to be proud of. No doubt, the IBM PC will continue to influence the industry for many years to come. We hope you enjoy this special issue.
Visit the IEEE Computer Society website at computer.org/computer.